Hello children, again welcome back to my channel. I'm Pradeep of Maths Teacher. So dear children, in this video I'll be solving all the problems, exercise problems based on the chapter coordinate geometry. Okay, so coordinate geometry I'll take the 7.1 exercise, also 7.2 and 7.3. The whole three exercise I'll solve and I'll just explain you people and I'll give the solutions for you people in one video. Okay, so we'll not waste the time, just directly I'll go to the problem. So the exercise 7.1, the first problem says find the distance between the following pair of points. So that means you need to find the distance between the given pair of points, right? So let me just write the points that what they have given. The first point is 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1 they have given. So you need to find the distance between these 2 points. I think you know the distance formula, I think so, right? Okay, now let me write, let a of 2 comma 3 and b of 4 comma 1 are the points. Okay, so you need to find the distance between a b. So therefore I'll write the formula now. The formula says x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now this is the formula. Now call this point as, first one as x1, so therefore this one as x1, this one as y1, this one as x2, this one as y2. So therefore x1 value is 2, now y1 value is 3, so that means x2 value is 4, y2 value will be 1. Okay, now you have the formula, you have the data, apply the data to the formula and simplify it, you will get the answer. So therefore x2 is 4 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus 3 whole square. So therefore AB equals under root of 4 minus 2 is 2 square plus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 square. So therefore AB equals to under root of 2 square is 4 plus any minus square will be plus, so therefore plus 4. 2 square is minus 2 square is plus 4. So therefore the answer is root 8. So therefore root 8 can be written in the form of 4 into 2. So the answer will be 2 root 2 units. Now this is the distance between the given pair of points AB, and this is how we will solve the problem. If you know the distance formula, means you will be able to solve the problem easily. Okay children, next I will take the next problem. So in that only we are having another, the second one. So the coordinate points they have given is minus 5 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3. Okay, so call this as x1, y1, x2, y2. Now I'll apply the formula and I'll solve it, because already you have learned, I think so, right? So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So therefore AB equals to under root of, so therefore x2 is minus 1 and minus x1 is minus 5. So therefore I'll write in a bracket whole square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is 7 whole square. Now if you have simplified this, AB equals to under root of minus 1 and minus into minus is plus 5 whole square plus, if you subtract 3 minus 7 is minus 4 whole square. Okay, next AB equals to under root of, so if you subtract 5 minus 1, the answer will be 4 whole square plus minus 4 square will be 16. So therefore it's 16. Any minus square will be plus, so therefore minus 4 square will be 16. So therefore that will be equals to under root of 4 square is also 16 plus 16. So I'll write in the next sheet. So therefore AB equals to under root of, so 16 plus 16 is root 32. Now this root 32 can be written in the form of 16 2s. So therefore under root of the square root of 16 is 4. Okay, sorry, I'll wrap this. Okay, so the square root of 16 is 4 and the remaining is 2. So therefore the answer will be 4 root 2 units. Okay, now this is the answer for the second question, and now I'll take the third one. The third one is a comma b, the coordinate points that which they have given. So minus a comma minus b. So therefore, so you need to find the distance between a b, nothing but you need to find the distance between these two coordinate points. So therefore, formula as usual, you know people, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So therefore ab equals to, call this point as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. Okay, so therefore under root of x2 is minus a minus x1 is a whole square plus y2 is minus b minus of b whole square. Okay, so therefore ab equals to under root of, just observe here, so minus into minus will be plus, so therefore a plus a will be 2a, it's minus 2a, like that. Here also minus into minus is plus, so therefore b plus b is 2b, it's minus 2b. Okay, so therefore it's minus 2a whole square plus minus 2b whole square. Now this square is applied for the both as well as number as well as the alphabet. So therefore ab equals to under root of minus 2 square is plus 4, a means a square plus, so minus 2 square is again 4, now b square. So therefore ab equals to under root of, now here 4 and 4 is there, take the common 4. So therefore if you have taken out the common, means the common is 4, the common factor is 4, so 4 remains same, the remaining will be a square plus b square. Now ab equals to, the square root of 4 is 2, so therefore I am taking out the 2 outside, so therefore 2, the remaining is square root of or under root of a square plus b square. Now this is the answer for the third question in the first main. Okay, now we'll move on to the next question, the second question, children. Okay, now the second question says like this: you need to find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. Can you now find the distance between the two towns A and B discussed in a section 7.2? Okay, I'll not take the second part. Okay, so just I'll take the first part and I'll solve it. So therefore the coordinate points that they have given is 0, 0 and 36, 15. Okay, again let a of 0, 0 and b of 36, 15 are the points. So therefore call this as x1 y1 x2 y2, correct? So therefore here you need to find the distance between ab. So ab equals to under root of, the formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So therefore ab equals to under root of, now you have the values, apply the values to the formula and simplify it. So x2 is 36 minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is, so y2 is how much, 15 minus y1 is 0 whole square. So therefore ab equals to under root of 36 minus 0 is, it's 36 square plus 15 minus 0 is 15 square. Okay, now take a square of 36 as well as 15. So therefore I'll write in the next sheet. So therefore ab equals to under root of, now 36 square is 1296 plus 15 square is 225. Okay, now ab equals to under root of, if you add both these means it's 15 9, sorry, it 1521. 6 plus 5 is okay. So it's 1521,521. Now just check whether this number having a square root or not, whether this is a perfect square number or not. So therefore the square root of 1521 is nothing but 39. So nothing but 39 into 39. You can check. So 39 square, okay, let me write 39 square is nothing but 1521. So therefore the distance between AB is 39 units. Now this is the answer for the second question. Okay children. Now we will move on to the third one. The third question says determine if the points 1 comma 5, 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 11 are collinear. Now this is the third problem. Okay, now how to solve this? First try to understand the meaning of the word collinear. Now what is the meaning of collinear? That is what you need children's. Okay, so collinear means, if you want to say, let me just say by taking an example. So if you want to say, I'll call these 3 points as A, B, C. If you want to say these 3 points are collinear points, then these 3 points should lies in a single straight line. Then only we can say that these 3 points as collinear points. Again I'll say, if you want to say these 3 points are collinear points, then these 3 points has to lies on a single straight line. Okay, so therefore in the question what they are asking is determine if the points, they have given the points, so the coordinate points are 1 comma 5 and 2 comma 3, and the next point is minus 2 comma minus 11. So you need to find whether these 3 coordinate points are collinear points or not. So nothing but you need to check whether these 3 coordinate points are lies in a single straight line. That is the question, that is what you need to find. So therefore let me write the first as, let A of 1 comma 5, B of 2 comma 3 and C of minus 2 comma minus 11 are the points. Okay, so that means I'll write here. So they have given the coordinates of A 1 comma 5, B as 2 comma 3 and C as minus 2 comma minus 11. Now how will you check whether these 3 points are collinear points? So just if you have observed this straight line, just observe here. So AC is a line, AB and BC makes an AC straight line, correct? So therefore ABC are points which should lies on a single straight line, nothing but the line is AC. So therefore we can write the condition like this: AB plus BC makes an one straight line, that is AC. So therefore by using this condition we can check whether the given coordinate points are collinear points or not. How? Simple. So first take the 2 coordinate points of A and B, okay, and apply the distance formula and find the distance between AB, okay, and afterwards find the distance between BC by taking the coordinate points of BC, and just afterwards the next step that you people need to do is you need to take the coordinates of AC and you need to find the distance between AC. Now if suppose AB, the whatever you got the answer AB and if the BC are both are equal, so that means it should be equals to AC, okay, right? So then we can say that these 3 points are collinear points because the answer is same. For example, if you got the answer as AB as 2 and BC also 2, so therefore AC should be equals to 4, okay, so therefore 2 plus 2 is 4. Then we can say that these three coordinate points are collinear points, right? So find the distance between AB by using distance formula and keep the answer there only, and next find the distance between BC and by using distance formula keep the answer, and also find the distance between AC and keep the answer there only. Now whatever you got the answer for AB and for the BC, just add the both. If you got the answer by after adding, if the answer is same as the answer of AC, then we can say directly these three coordinate points are collinear points. If the answer is different, means we can't say that the 3 points are not a, we can say that their 3 points are not a collinear points. Okay children, so now this is the condition. Now I'll take this condition and I'll solve, and I'll take the one by one. First I'll take A, B and I'll solve it. So I'll write in the next sheet. So first I'll take the coordinates of A and B, okay, or nothing but I'll find the distance between A, B. So therefore A coordinates are A comma 1 comma 5 and B coordinates are 2 comma 3. Okay, now as usual call this one as x1 y1, the second one as x2 y2. Now you need to find the distance between AB first. So therefore, so formula I think you know people, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so therefore AB equals to under root of, now x2 is 2 minus x1 is 1 whole square plus, so y2 is 3 minus 5 whole square. So therefore AB equals to under root of 2 minus 1 is 1 square plus 3 minus 5 is minus 2 square. So therefore AB equals to under root of 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4. Any minus square will be plus, so therefore minus 2 square is nothing but 4. So the answer will be under root of 5 units. Now this is the answer for AB. So what I have said is find the distance between AB first, afterwards find the distance between BC, and afterwards you need to find the distance between AC. Now I'll take the BC. So for the coordinates of BC, so the B coordinates are 2 comma 3 and C coordinates are minus 2 comma minus 11. Now apply the distance formula for this and simplify this, and you will get the answer for BC. Call this as x1 y1 as usual, x2 y2. So therefore BC equals under root of, now I'll apply the data directly because you know the formula children. So therefore x2 is minus 2 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is minus 11 minus 3 whole square, correct? So therefore BC equals to under root of, minus into minus will be plus, so therefore you need to add 2 plus 2 is minus 4 whole square plus, here also minus into minus will be plus, so therefore you need to add 11 plus 3 is 14. It's nothing but sign of a biggest number you need to apply, so therefore it's minus 14 square, correct? So therefore BC is equals to under root of, any minus square will be plus, so therefore 4 square will be 16 plus any minus square will be again plus, so therefore 14 square will be 196. So therefore if you add this, 196 plus 16 is 212. Okay, so therefore 212 units. Now this is the answer for BC. Okay, next we need to find the distance between AC. Okay, first find the answer, the distance between AC, nothing but find the answer of AC. So I'll take the coordinates of AC. A coordinates are A of 1 comma 5, C coordinates are minus 2 comma minus 11. So therefore as usual call x1 y1 x2 y2. So AC equals under root of, okay, so now here x2 is minus 2 minus 1 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus, now y2 is minus 11 minus y1 is 5, so therefore minus 5 whole square. So AC equals under root of, minus into minus will be plus, so 2 plus 1 is 3, it's minus 3 whole square because sign of a biggest number, so plus, minus into minus will be plus, 11 plus 5 is 16, it's minus 16 square. Okay, so therefore AC is equals to under root of, so minus 3 square is plus 9 plus 16 square is 256. Now if you add these two, the answer will be 265 units. Okay, now you got the all the answers of AB. So AB, BC and AC. Now add the both answers of AB and BC, and if the answers as same as AC means, then we can say these 3 points are collinear points. If the answer is not same means, we can directly say these 3 points are is not a collinear points. Okay, let me write the answer. So let me write the condition first. AB plus BC is equals to AC, right? Now what is the answer for AB that we got now? So answer for AB is root 5. Okay, so root 5 plus what is the answer for BC? So the BC is 212. 212 equals to AC answer is 265. Correct? Now here whenever you are adding some sets, then the order and the radicand should be same. But here orders are 2, but the radicand is different. So therefore we can't add this. So therefore we can say directly the answer of AB, if you add the AB plus BC, the answer will be this much. So therefore this is not equals to AC. So therefore directly we can write AB plus BC is not equals to AC. So therefore hence the points A, B and C are not a collinear points. So we can say directly, or we can write hence A of, I'll write the coordinate points also, A of 1 comma 5, B of 2 comma 3 and C of minus 2 comma minus 11 are not collinear points. Okay children, now this is how we need to solve the problem, and this question will be asked for 2 mark or 3 mark children. It's a very important problem. So just you need to take this condition and you need to find the distance between AB first, afterwards BC, afterwards AC, and you need to check whether LHS is equals to RHS or not by adding the LHS. If LHS here in this problem, the LHS is not equals to RHS, so therefore we can say that, or we have wrote that we have come to a conclusion that the given coordinate points are not a collinear points. Okay children, now this is the third problem. Now let me move to the fourth problem. Now the fourth problem is check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Okay, so you need to check the points what they have given, the points are vertices of an isosceles triangle or not. Okay, so the points are what they have given. First I'll write the points is 5 comma minus 2, the second one is 6 comma 4 and the third one is 7 comma minus 2. Now what is meant by isosceles triangle children? I think you know the definition of isosceles triangle, right? So isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. Now how will you check the given whether the given coordinate points are the vertices of isosceles triangle? For that you need to use the again distance formula. Now how I'll write now. First you need to write down the given coordinate points as let A of 5 comma minus 2, B of 6 comma 4 and C of 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of a isosceles triangle. Okay, so are the vertices of the isosceles triangle. First we need to write down like that. Okay, now first what you need to do is simple. First, as per the definition of isosceles triangle, two sides should be equal. So therefore first I'll take the two coordinate points of AB and I'll find the distance between the A and B coordinates. Afterwards I'll take the next coordinates BC and afterwards I'll take the coordinates of CA, and also I'll find the distance between BC and CA. So here, out of these three values, whatever you have got the answer by using distance formula, out of these three, if two values are equals means, then directly we can say that the given coordinate points are the vertices of isosceles triangle, because isosceles triangle is nothing but two sides are equal. So therefore, by using distance formula, find the distance between AB, afterwards BC, afterwards CA. If the two answers are same, we can come to a conclusion. The given vertices, the given coordinate points are vertices of an isosceles triangle. So this is how we'll solve the problem, and this is also very important problem, childrens. Okay, so they can ask for 2 marks. So now I'll find the distance between AB first, afterwards I'll move to the BC, and next afterwards I'll take the CA and I'll find the distance between CA. Okay, now first I'll take the AB coordinates. So therefore A coordinates they have given is 5 comma minus 2. B coordinates they have given is 6 comma 4. Correct? Now here simple, as usual, x1 y1 x2 y2, find that. So now by using the distance formula, find the distance between AB. So therefore AB equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Correct? Now this is the formula. Now you have the data, so apply the data to the formula and simplify it. X2 is 6 minus x1 is 5 whole square plus y2 is how much? So y2 is 4 minus y1, sorry, so I'll have this. Okay, so y1 is minus 2, so minus 2 whole square. So if you got two symbols at a time means, write down that in a bracket, afterwards simplify that, multiply that symbols, and afterwards simplify it. Okay, so therefore AB equals under root of 6 minus 5 is 1 square, nothing but 6 minus 5 is 1 square, plus 4, keep the 4 there only, and minus into minus is plus 2 whole square. Now this is what I have said for you people. Children, simple. See here, if you go two symbols at a time means, write down in a bracket, afterwards multiple the symbols, and afterwards simplify this. So minus into minus is plus. Clear, children? So therefore AB equals to under root of 1 square is 1 plus, here 4 plus 2 is 6 square is 36. So therefore under root of 37 units. Now this is the answer for AB. Now why we are doing like this? Because to find whether the given coordinates points are vertices of an isosceles triangle or not. By using distance formula, first find the answer of AB, BC, CA, and out of these three, if you got two values are correct, then directly we can say the coordinates points are vertices of an isosceles triangle, or sorry, isosceles triangle. Okay, now take the next one, that nothing but that is BC. So I'll take the next one, that is BC. Now the B coordinates they have given is 6 comma 4, and the next one is C coordinates are 7 comma minus 2. Now as usual, call this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. Next here BC equals under root of x2 is 7 minus x1 is 6 whole square. I'm directly applying the data because you know the formula, right? So y2 is minus 2, y1 is 4 whole square. So BC equals under root of 7 minus 6 is 1 square plus minus into minus is plus. So 4 plus 2 is 6. It's minus 6 whole square because sign of a biggest number. So therefore BC is equals to under root of 1 square is 1 plus any minus square will be plus. So therefore minus 6 square is 36 plus 36. The answer is root 37 units. Correct? Now here, don't need to find the distance between CA, children. Why? Because what I have said in the first, when I have started the problem, See, if you want to check these three coordinate points, whatever they have given the coordinate points are vertices of an isosceles triangle or not, by using distance formula, if you got the three answers and out of these three answers, if you got two answers are same, then we can directly say the given points are vertices of isosceles triangle. Now, what we got the answer for AB? The answer for AB is root 37 units, correct? Next, we got the answer for BC also. So by using distance formula, so the answer is root 37 units. So that means we got the answer for AB as also root 37 units and BC also root 37 units, correct? So that means the two values are equals, means we can directly say that the points are the vertices of isosceles triangle. Okay, children?